Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to another virtual class in Radiant Secondary School in 8th grade, and I am your Pakistan studies teacher, and we are studying chapter number 3, Land and Environment. Students, as you know that we have already started this question number 4, that is, into how many climatic region is Pakistan divided, and write down the detail of each region. In previous class we have done our first climatic region of Pakistan, and today we are going to complete this question. But before going to start our today's lecture, let me give you an overview of previous lecture. As you know that in previous class we have complete our first climatic region, that is climatic subtropical continental highland. But before subtropical continental highland, I have told you the definition of climate. The definition of climate is the long-term study of weather condition of any country or area is called climate, and this long-term study include the temperature, air pressure, rain and humidity. Then we discussed about the climatic region of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into 4 climatic region: subtropical continental highland, subtropical continental plateau, subtropical continental lowland and tropical coastland. In previous class we have studied the first climatic region, that is subtropical continental highland, and in subtropical continental highland we have discussed the areas and climate of subtropical continental highland. As the name shows that this region include the mountainous region of Pakistan, and in mountainous region of Pakistan we have divided the mountains of Pakistan into 3 parts. Number 1 is northern mountain ranges, included outer and central Himalayas. Number 2 is northwestern mountain ranges, included Chitral, Swat and Dir, and the third one is western mountain ranges, Waziristan, Yob and Loralai, and mountain ranges of Balochistan, included Quetta, Saravaan, Central Makran and Jalwan. These are the areas of subtropical continental highland. Then we discuss about the climate of this region. As the name shows, these are mountainous regions, so of course the winter is extremely cold here in this region, and normally there is snowfall. Summer season is quite cool, while in spring season there is rainfall, and in some area of this region like Himalayas, Mari and Hazara, the rainfall continues almost throughout the year. So student, this is the area and climate of first region of Pakistan, that is subtropical continental highland. Now move towards our today's lecture. Our today's lecture start from second climatic region of Pakistan, that is subtropical continental plateau. First of all, definition of plateau. Plateau is a landform which is high from the surrounding surface like a mountain, but has a flat top like a plain, and it is also called a tableland. This is the definition of plateau. As you can see on your screen, definition is also mentioned. Plateaus are also important like plains. When we talk about subtropical continental plateau, this region includes plateau of Balochistan, which lies in southwest of Pakistan. This plateau lies in west of Koh-e-Suleiman and Kirthar range. The height of this plateau is 900 meters. Now comes the climate of this region. This plateau is uneven and barren. It receives very low rainfall, therefore this region has desert-like characteristics. The western part of plateau is dry due to shortage of rainfall. This region has lack of vegetation. That's why the climate of this region is very dry and hot and dusty winds continuously blow from May to mid-September. This region includes the areas of Sibbi and Jacobabad, and the average temperature of Sibbi in June is 46 degrees centigrade, hottest city of Pakistan, and Jacobabad, another city in this region, has hot desert climate with extremely hot summers. The highest recorded temperature of Jacobabad is 52 degrees centigrade. Rainfall in this condition is very low, but some rainfall during the months of January and February. Extreme hot weather, dry and dusty winds are the important characteristics of this region. Now comes our third climatic region of Pakistan, that is subtropical continental lowland. Lowland means plain areas. As you people already know the definition of plains. Plains are vast stretches of flat land. This climatic region includes the upper Indus Plain, Punjab province, and lower Indus Plain, Sindh province. Plain areas of Pakistan is very important from agriculture point of view. These plains are fertile because of the soil of these plains are brought by the 5 rivers of Punjab. Even before the establishment of Pakistan, the United Punjab was famous for its yield of wheat. The world remembered as the home of grain. Even today, Punjab is playing an important role in meeting the food requirement of the country. When we talk about the climate of this region, the climate is extreme in this region. Summer is very hot and winter is also very cold. At the end of the summer season, the North Punjab receive more rainfall due to monsoon winds, while the plain areas receive less rainfall. Winter rainfall pattern is also the same. This region includes the Thal and some southern deserts in this region, and these are the driest areas of this region. This region also include plain region of KPK beside Punjab and Sindh. Plain region of KPK has district of Peshawar, and this plain experiences thunderstorm, rain, dust storm. During summer, dust storms are very common in Peshawar, so climate has a deep impact on living, food and dressing of the people. The last climatic region is tropical coastline. The coastline of, as you know student, the coastline of Pakistan is 1050 km long, and we can divide the coastal areas of Pakistan into two parts: coastal belt of Sindh and coastal belt of Balochistan. So this climatic region includes the coastal areas of Sindh and Balochistan provinces. So far as the climate is concerned, very little difference is recorded between daily and annual temperature. Coastal region remain humid throughout the year because of land breeze and sea breeze. The most important characteristics of the climate of this region is land breeze and sea breeze, which keep the climate mild in this region. The annual temperature is 32 degrees centigrade. May and June are the hottest month, and the coastal areas of Lasbela receive more rainfall during summer as well as in winter season. Now comes the overview of today's lecture. As you know student, today we have done our question number 4 part 2, and our our today's lectures started from second climatic region of Pakistan, that is subtropical continental plateau. In subtropical continental plateau, we have discussed the areas and climate of this region. This climatic region include the area of Balochistan province, and in climate we have discussed that the hot and dusty winds continuously blow there from May to mid-September. Jacobabad and Sibbi are located in this region, and there is some rainfall during the month of January and February. Extreme and the main or important characteristics of this region, the climatic characteristics of this region is extreme hot weather, dry and dusty winds. Then comes the third climatic region of Pakistan, that is subtropical continental lowland. In this region, first of all we discuss about the areas. The climatic region includes the areas of upper Indus Plain, Punjab province, and lower Indus Plain, Sindh province. Then we discuss about the climate of this region. So far as the climate is concerned, summer is the climate of this region is extreme. There is extreme winter and extreme summer. Summer is very hot in this region, and towards the end of summer, northern Punjab receive more rainfall due to monsoon winds, and while the plain areas receive less rainfall. This region also include the plain areas of KPK of Peshawar district, and this area also included the Thal and southern desert. So the climate of this region is extreme. Then comes the last one, our last last climatic region of Pakistan, that is tropical coastline. This climatic region include the coastal areas of Sindh and Balochistan. As you know student, our coastal belt is 1050 km long, and we have divided our coastal belt into two parts: coastal belt of Sindh and coastal belt of Balochistan. Then we discuss about the climate of this region. The main and important climatic feature of this region is land breeze and sea breeze. Because of these breezes, the temperature in this region is very mild, and the difference between maximum and minimum range of temperature is very small. And the average temperature of this in summer is 32 degrees centigrade, and May and June are the hottest one. And this region also include the plains of Lasbela, and which receive rainfall both in summer and winter season. So student, that is all for today's lecture. I hope student you will understand it. Allah Hafiz and take care.